This is the review of the Harbor Freight hitch carrier wheelchair scooter carrier with a ramp. I think it would say it on the thing with a ramp, but it doesn't. So this one has the ramp. There's the part number. This was $189 at Harbor Freight, a little bit cheaper than everywhere else. So got it all together and I'll give you my thoughts. So it took about an hour and a half to put together, just lots of little pieces, not too difficult. I'm going to kind of show you because their instructions aren't the greatest and it's easy to get stuff backwards because I did. So basically it goes like that. I'll show you. These little pieces go on the inside and you just attach those screws. Just do a little walk around. Overall it is sturdy, it's all aluminum. It weighs about 50 pounds. The corners do have these plastic connectors. All that's put together. All you have to do is put together these extensions. There's about 12 of them and the top there. And then you put on your steel base here, your hitch part, and it's all steel. And then the ramp. So let me go in there and move it to the truck. All right, so there it is on the truck. I have a medium-sized truck, so it fits pretty good. The ramp is nice. I'll show you what I use it for, which is the lawnmower. That's the main use I use it for. It's very sturdy. Very impressed with it. I think it fits my needs perfect. I've only saw a couple problems, which is probably my fault. If I lower the tailgate, it does come close to hitting that, so I'll either get some foam on that or just remember not to lower the tailgate with it on. Have to figure that out, but no big deal, I guess. But the ramp is good. I've already put the lawnmower on it, no problems. I went and marked my receiver right here with a marker so I know where to line it up really quick. Overall it's good. It's got reflectors and I think it's good. Let's go put the lawnmower on it. All right, so there we go. That's what it looks like when it's ready to be transported. And it is a windy day here. It sucks. But anyway, the ramp is held up by these Carter pins. It comes up pretty easy. Sometimes you have to pull this back a little bit to get the ramp all the way up, because it is what it is. It's no big deal. Anyway, it does have these loops, and I use bungee cords to hold down the lawnmower. Use ratchet straps to hold down the scooters or whatever, but this works good. It has 4 little eye hooks, and there we go. Overall, I think it's pretty easy for me. The price is really good, $189, like I said, and it's pretty lightweight, about 50 pounds. Difficulty to put it together was not too bad. Just a bunch of screws and nuts. They're all lock nuts. No, not a lot of washers. And the reflectors. Comes with everything you need. It's all ready to go. So there you go. The Harbor Freight wheelchair and scooter carrier with a ramp for your vehicle.